Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You need to halt sync immediately. Click the Onedrive cloud in the system tray or menu bar. Choose pause syncing, pick 2, 8, or 24 hours if you need a temporary stop. If you mean to stop until further change, open settings and use sign out. This disconnects your account and prevents automatic uploads. Once signed out, make sure files stay local by checking File Explorer or Finder. If you want to resume later, sign back in and re-enable sync selectively. You now control what actually syncs. Open Onedrive settings, go to Account, and click Choose Folders. Uncheck large or sensitive folders to stop them syncing to this device. Once done, consider turning off files on demand if placeholder files cause confusion, because disabling it forces files to remain local. If multiple devices are linked, unlink this PC to sever automatic syncing completely. Make sure to move any local-only files to a safe folder before unlinking so nothing is finished by verifying the Onedrive icon shows paused or not signed in, and confirm that your important files are stored locally where you expect them. Next, clean up any cached or temporary files using disk cleanup or manual removal to free space and avoid accidental root load. If Onedrive keeps resuming, reset the app or reinstall it, then sign in and reconfigure only the folders you want. If problems persist, unlink and relink the account. That usually fixes stubborn automatic sync restarts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.